If you want to record this into this, then stick around. In this video, I'll show you how. Alright, the quickest and easiest way to record your guitar into GarageBand on your iPhone is via the built-in microphone. Every single iPhone model from the very first one has had the ability to record audio, with varying degrees of quality. This iPhone 5's microphone, for example, doesn't give particularly high quality results. Whereas the microphone on this iPhone XS is far more capable. Apple is constantly improving their hardware, so the quality of recording you'll be able to get from your iPhone's built-in microphone will depend on the model you have. When you're ready to record, it's as simple as throwing your iPhone in front of an amplifier and hitting record. Bear in mind that you're not going to have a whole lot of frequencies to work with when you come to mix your built-in microphone's guitar recordings. So maybe only use this method if you're putting a rough demo together or are intentionally looking for a lo-fi sound. There is no better feeling than when you perfectly capture that killer guitar tone. Well, apart from the feeling I'll get when you like this video. So go ahead, make all my dreams come true, and show me some thumb love down below. For years, the most popular way to hook up your guitar to your iPhone was with one of these. The iRig was the king of super portable interfaces for a long time, making recording guitars into your iPhone as easy as plugging your cable into the jack input and then the iRig's cable into your iPhone's headphone jack. Once Apple nuked the iPhone's headphone jack back when it released the iPhone 7, this thing's star unfortunately began to wane. If you have an old school iPhone with a headphone jack, you can use the OG iRig and it still sounds pretty good. IK Multimedia and other companies like Apogee have since released updated, refined versions of the iRig formula. Apogee's Jam and IK Multimedia's iRig HD interfaces are Lightning based, so you can connect them to any iPhone model with a Lightning connector. These units provide much better sound quality than the original iRig, retain the super portable form factor, and are still quite affordable. I have the first generation iRig HD here, and it keeps things really simple. You just plug your guitar into the jack input and then connect it to your iPhone via the Lightning connector. This iRig Pro I/O works in much the same way, except this model has an XLR combo jack. So you can hook up a microphone to it and record real audio as well as directly inputting your signal. Finally, you can grab yourself a fully fledged audio interface, hook it up to your iPhone and record your guitars that way. With an audio interface, you're able to capture great quality sounds into your iPhone, as well as, depending on the model, giving yourself more audio recording options. This budget-friendly M-Audio M-Track Solo has both an XLR combo input and a dedicated instrument input too. This means that not only can you record your guitar or other instruments that connect via a 1/4-inch jack, but also an XLR microphone if you want to record vocals or mic up your amplifier as well. Now this all sounds great, but there are a few downsides to going the audio interface route with your iPhone. Not only are you sacrificing a lot of portability with this setup, most audio interfaces connect via USB-A, meaning you'll need to grab Apple's Lightning to USB adapter to hook it up to your iPhone. And you should go for Apple's official adapter. While there are far cheaper third-party options available, Apple have a tendency to render those obsolete without a word of warning. So suck it up, pay the Apple tax, and move on. Yes, it sucks, I'm well aware, but going this route will save you some headaches further down the line. If you do plan to use an XLR microphone in your setup, specifically a condenser microphone that requires the use of your audio interface's phantom power feature, you'll run into another issue. iPhones on their own don't provide enough power to an attached audio interface to use phantom power. I cover the issue of powering an audio interface with a Lightning-based iOS device in the video right up there. So check that out if you want to find out more. With all that said, the sound quality you get from a proper audio interface might just be worth all that hassle. Alright, that's how to record your guitar into GarageBand on your iPhone. Now that you've got your guitars sorted, you can find out how to make the most of your drums on iOS right here. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.